Hello guys, today we're gonna try Mother's Brazilian Carnauba Cleaner Wax. This is a very light polish, doesn't have any filler, and will also wax your car in one step. So if you have a white car or a light colored car, doesn't have many swirls, but have a dirty paint like this that won't be removed even after you wash the car, you might want to consider getting this. Before you begin, after you wash and dry the car, you need to clay first. If the clay got dirty, simply fold them and repeat the process. And this is after the clay bar. And don't forget to paper tape over your trims or it will get stained. For best result, you need a DA polisher. This is Meguiar's DA power system with burgundy pad. Pour it onto the pad and keep going with light pressure. Reapply as needed. Now let's see the result. White car usually can show it better than any other color. That's why some white car with time will turn to yellowish because of the dirt and oxidation. And this is the water beading. The downside about this product is you cannot put 2 coats of wax, because if you put it again, it will remove the old wax. But it's a great product to restore your car paint in one step. I hope this video is helpful. Don't forget to check links in the description. Thanks for watching and please subscribe.